Hi, I'm Jake from Pink Boots Hire, and today we're going to go through the 10-meter Knuckle Boom Hybrid. Alright, let's go. The great thing about the H340AJ is that it's designed to run full electric or full diesel. So great for indoor use and outdoor use. As with our other knuckle booms, if your machine's delivered and you're not here or it's delivered the night before, the driver will put the key in the lockbox, which is located under the left-hand side panel. Once you have your key, put it into the machine, which is located just here. Decide whether you want to operate it from the base or the basket using the switch here. So purple is the base, blue is the basket. As this knuckle boom is a hybrid, you don't actually need to start the engine to start operating. All you need to do is put in the unlock switch and start operating from the base station. If you do want to operate the hybrid knuckle boom just like a normal diesel, you can start the engine to charge, and also that will charge the batteries. Pull the e-stop, wait for it to prime, and then just press the ignition button up. The hybrid knuckle boom charge point is located underneath the main boom via a 240 volt point. Also, you can do it with diesel and it does charge through once the diesel engine is running. When you do want to operate the machine from the basket, all you got to do is select the blue tab or the basket. And then make sure the E-stop's up and then go to the basket. As with all our other knuckle booms, 2 harnesses are supplied with every machine. They're located with the machine. So make sure you correctly put on your harness and have it tight. Once in the knuckle boom, be sure to clip yourself onto to either one of the harness points located either side of the control panel, like so. So once you've got your harness on, you're clipped in and you want to start operating the machine from the basket, all you need to do is pull the E-stop, and because it's a hybrid, all you got to do is put your foot on the dead man switch and start operating. When operating outdoors, you can just leave the machine in the generator enable button, which is this switch just here to the right of the E-stop. The generator enable button just allows the machine to start if the batteries are running low, so then you don't have to worry about the battery levels. Then next to that we have the drive orientation override button. So if it's past a certain point when rotating around the machine, it'll make you click that switch before you can drive backwards and forwards. This is just so you're acknowledging that if you sometimes will push forwards, you'll go backwards. Then below the override switch we have the drive and steering control. Then we have the speed control that can be set all the way down to turtle and then right up to hare. I recommend using the turtle one when operating around close to buildings or machinery. Then on the far left we have the joystick that operates the main lift and the swing control. All our knuckle booms are fitted with the SkyGuard control too for safety. So if you are backing up and you do hit something, you'll hit this and the machine will back up and stop. So that's it from me regarding the H340AJ. If there's anything else that I missed, or you got any more questions, either comment below or give us a call. Taking service new heights.